Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel once again, children. So here I come with the next set of questions from circulatory system. So let's begin. What is the condition called when there is an abnormally increased number of RBCs? Polycythemia, erythropenia, leukopenia, thrombocytopenia. Option A is correct. What is the location of WBCs in the body? Lymph nodes, bone marrow, spleen, all of the above. All of the above. Which type of white blood cell is responsible for producing antibodies? Neutrophil, eosinophil, basophil, lymphocyte. Option D. What is the structure of white blood cells? They are disc-shaped and contain hemoglobin, or they are biconcave and have no nucleus, or they are irregularly shaped and have a nucleus, or they are long and cylindrical with many mitochondria. Option C is correct. Which white blood cell is involved in allergic reactions and parasitic infections? Neutrophils, eosinophils, basophils, monocytes. Answer eosinophil. Which type of WBCs are primarily responsible for phagocytosis? Neutrophil and monocyte, or basophil and eosinophil, or lymphocytes and monocytes, or neutrophils and eosinophils? Answer is option A, neutrophil and monocyte. What is the location of lymphocyte in the body? Bone marrow, spleen, lymph nodes, thymus glands. Answer is lymph nodes. What is the structure of a lymphocyte? Irregular shape with many projections, large round shape with granules, small round shape with a smooth surface, or bean shaped with a single large nucleus. Option D is correct. Bean shaped with a single large nucleus. Which white blood cells are involved in the inflammatory response? Neutrophil, eosinophil, basophil, lymphocyte. Inflammatory response means like when there is heat, redness, or swelling or pain. So the leukocytes, through the process of diapedesis, because they have false like pseudopodia, they come out of the blood capillaries and go to the place where there is disease or the pain to fight it. The answer is neutrophils. What is the name of the process by which white blood cells engulf and destroy foreign particles in the body? Phagocytosis, mitosis, meiosis, or diffusion? Answer A. Option A. Phagocytosis. What is the structure of white blood cell that allows them to move through narrow capillaries and into tissues? Pseudopodia, cilia, flagella, cell membrane. Option A. Pseudopodia is the correct answer. What is the main function of monocytes in the body? To produce antibodies, or to engulf and destroy foreign particles, or to release histamine during an allergic reaction, or option D, to help blood clotting? Answer is to engulf and destroy foreign particles. What is the name of the condition where the body produces too few white blood cells? Leukemia, erythropenia, anemia, leukopenia. Option D is correct. Which type of white blood cell is the most numerous in the body? Neutrophil, lymphocyte, monocyte, basophil. You all know white blood cells are of many types. So out of that, which one is most numerous? Option A, neutrophil is the most numerous. When disease-causing germs enter the bloodstream, they produce lymphocyte, antitoxin, or antibodies, or blood plasma. Answer is antitoxins. A child is given a vaccine for measles, mumps, rubella, or coronavirus to protect against disease. What principle of vaccination is used in this case? Options: to introduce strong disease causing germs to stimulate production of antibodies, or option B, to introduce weakened disease causing germs to stimulate production of specific antibodies, option C, to introduce antibiotics into the bloodstream, or option D, to introduce toxins into the bloodstream. Answer is introduce weakened disease causing germs to stimulate production of specific antibodies. What is the structure of blood platelets? Circular cells with a nucleus, or elongated cells with a nucleus, or oval, round shaped cells without nucleus, or spherical cells without a nucleus? Option C is correct. What is the function of blood platelets? Transport oxygen to body tissues, or to form clots to prevent bleeding? Option C, produce antibodies for immune response. Option D, break down waste products in the blood. Correct option B, forms clot. Which substance is released by injured tissue cells and platelets to initiate the process of blood clotting, to start the process of blood clotting? Is it fibrin, thrombin, thrombokinase, or prothrombin? The option is thrombokinase. Blood clotting, this process involves many steps, so you should remember all these terms properly. Last question. What is the solid mass left behind after the process of blood clotting? You must have seen that brown color coating when there is a cut, and after drying it, that brown covering forms. What do we call it? Serum, fibrinogen, thrombus, or platelet? Answer is thrombus. It is also called a clot. So thank you for listening, and don't forget to share and subscribe.